Introducing the HiBREW H7B Coffee machine. Today we are going to prepare a refreshing iced coffee juice, the perfect fusion of bold espresso and fruity freshness. Start by taking your freshly ground coffee and tamp it firmly into the handle to ensure a rich and even extraction. Then turn on the HiBREW H7B coffee machine and give it a moment to warm up properly. Once it's ready, insert the handle into the machine securely. Next, adjust the temperature and cup volume settings to match your taste preferences. Whether you like your coffee stronger or milder, this machine lets you fine-tune the experience. Now, start the extraction and allow the machine to do its magic. As the espresso flows, you'll get that beautiful aroma and crema that only freshly brewed coffee can offer. While the extraction is finishing, take a tall glass and fill it with your favorite juice. Citrus juice like orange or a berry mix works wonderfully. Add a splash of cold water to slightly dilute the juice and make it more refreshing. Once your espresso is ready, pour it slowly over the juice mixture to create a layered and flavorful iced coffee juice. Stir gently if you like the flavors blended. And that's it. Enjoy your delicious iced coffee juice made with the HiBREW H7B, a perfect drink for hot days or whenever you want a creative coffee experience.